275 here, continuing that Luka Doncic hunt. Here you have it. It's a 2018-2019 Panini Prizm basketball Cello box. Probably your best way of getting silvers, or one of the best. So, trying to hunt Luka silver. Really want to get that card. Get a nice PSA 10. Hopefully. We'll see how we do. This is our second attempt. It's kind of pricey hunt. I found a bunch of old packs. See, I found a couple mega boxes and a bunch of these Cello packs and had no luck. And then I went and bought a box last week at the card show, and then I bought one today. So, we'll see how we do. We'll save the red, white, and blues for last like we always do. Got a split on my thumb from the cold weather. That got me right in the split. That hurts. You can almost see the, I don't know if you can see it. See that split in my thumb? Right there where my thumbnail is? Look at that. See daylight through it, for Christ's sake. Oh, it's a good one. Right there. Anyway, enough of my split card war wounds. No, it's not from the cards. It's from the cold weather, cracking my skin. Alright. Almost through all the Cello packs. This year they changed it up. They did 2 packs with 6 cards each in it. And this last year, which I'm opening right now, they did 3 packs with 4 cards each. Either way, you get 12 Prizm cards, and then the 1 white pack with the red, white, with the 3 red, white, and blue cards. Cello packs, I think, are always your best value in Prizm. At least I've had the best luck with them. Pulled a few silver Tatums, a few silver Trae Youngs out of them. Maybe we'll get another silver Trae Young. Not that I want that. I just got 2 PSA 10s. I want a silver Luka. So hopefully we get lucky. That's not him. Come on, silver gods, be in our favor. Alright. Wish me luck, everybody. Try and get through this as quick as possible already. 4 minutes in just to open the things. Chandler Hutchinson. Larry Bird. Throwback. LeBron. Silver rookie, not the one I want. Damn it. So there was a silver rookie. Definitely not the one we wanted yet. And we got a Reen Shabazz. I don't care about Shabazz. He about LeBron. I'll pull him up. Come on. Come on, Luka. Clyde Drexler. Josh Okogie. He looks a lot like Zion in this year. But not quite. God damn, 2 silver rookies and either one Luka. Wendell Carter Jr. Damn it. Come on, Luka. I feel like we're blowing our silver rookie wad right off the bat here with 2 silver rookies. Can't remember how many per box on average. Oh man, alright. Looks like Green Bay is trying to come back. Please. Okay, that was a base. Vet silver. Okay. Dominance Magic Johnson silver. I don't want to waste silvers on Magic Johnson. I want a silver Luka Doncic. I don't think it's gonna happen. Damn it. We're taking a green Luka too. Alright. Not off to the best start here. Getting a little nervous. Oh boy. Dennis Johnson. Oh man, Kevin Knox. Silver rookie. 3 silver rookies in here. I don't know, I think that means we're not going to get... I don't know, maybe that means we're not going to get a silver Luka. Oh boy. Oh boy. That's not good. Unless this is a miracle box and has more silver rookies than the average box. And we get a silver Luca. Imagine if we got a Luca auto. That'd be amazing. I think you can get autos in these once in a great while. Kelly Olynyk. Ton of silvers, but hey, there's a Luca. At least we got a Luca, but not a silver and not. I already have a base emergent Luca and a base phenom Luca, I think. Hey, I'm not complaining. I'll take a Luca. Any Luca I can get, I'll take. But kind of wish it was a silver rookie. DeAndre Ayton silver. Man, oh man. Buddy Hield green. We are getting a shit ton of silvers out of this first half of the box. Wow. Silver KG, that's pretty cool. One Celtic. Alright. Oh, another silver. My god, is it a rookie? Nope. Hyped silver too. Javon Carter. Base. It's funny, Jimmy Garoppolo sounds just like Tom Brady in the huddle. Kevin Knox base. Ooh. Oh boy. Oh, I should have known I didn't see those bars. Because Luca has those bars. Why do some of them have them and some of them don't? Damn it. Another silver rookie, not Luca. Wow. That first half had so many silver rookies. I hope the second half has just as many. Charles Barkley, home onward. Caldwell Pope. Freshman Phenom. Reggie Miller on the throwback player. All right, we're almost done. Well, got a little bit left to go. Melton. Larry Bird home on there. Charles Barkley. Is that a rookie? No, damn it. Markel Fultz, second year. You would know a lot. A green Jeff Green, that's funny. And Akeda Bates Diop base. Can't seem to get that Silva Luca. Saved my life. Who do you guys think is going to win the Super Bowl? I think it's going to be, well, we know it's Mahomes. It'd be nice, Mahomes versus Jimmy G. That'd be a good quarterback matchup. I think I'd still, even though Jimmy G used to play for the Pats, I'm going to root for Mahomes. I like him. Hyped Giannis. Look at that thing. It's a green hyped. Super duper hyped. Taj Gibson. Kyrie. What the clown silver. Oscar Robertson green. Oh. I don't think we got the silver whale in here. I don't think we caught our Moby Dick here. Jaren Jackson Jr. emergent. Harrison Barnes. Willie Cauley-Stein. Evan Turner. Green. Scottie Pippen on the throwback. Ah, what a letdown. Paul Pierce on the throwback. Jason Kidd on the donuts. PG-13 action here. Oh, Jason Tatum, second year. Kill you. Waste vanilla silver. Freshman Phenom, Michael Porter Jr. PG-13. Kyrie Thomas rookie base. Dominance Magic Johnson. Come on. Last few shots here. think it's gonna happen, but nope. Homeowners, John Stockton. Four packs left. Got our first difficult pack to open. These packs have been opening relatively easy. Ugh. Jerome Robinson, freshman, phenoms. Ooh, Trae Young. It's not a silver. Too bad. Enos Penis Cantor. Shy Julius Alexander. Is that a little damage on the card? Nope. Good, what a pack. And a Trae Young, nice. So Emergent Shy and a Trae. So we got a Trae and a Luka. Fortunately. No silver on either. Oh, we got a nice Trae plane. Got a Luka Emergent plane. Not the worst box, but not really making me back my $330, whatever the hell this cost me. Yeah, $330, I think it was. See how we do in the red, white, and blues. One silver. Not a rookie. Dominance. What a waste of two silvers there. Big waste of two silvers. All right. Let's get rid of this big pile here. All right. On to the red, white, and blues. Lonnie Walker the fourth, not bad. Shaquille O'Neal. Oh, but it's actually not Lonnie Walker the fourth. We want Michael Porter Jr., I think. That's right. I think Lonnie Walker the fourth was an okay rookie, but Carmelo, Justin Jackson. Alonzo Trier on the rookie auto. I mean the rookie red, white, and blue. No rookies. Rookies are avoiding us here. Definitely young Maverick there. Nice. Trae Young, red, white, and blue there. That helps. That makes our money back. Nice, nice. I don't have a Trae Young, red, white, and blue. I don't think so. I'll take that Prizm. Especially if that kid keeps playing like he's playing. Last pack, everybody. Kyle Kuzma. So, no Silva Luca. And we got a Trae Young, but so we did get a red, white, and blue Trae Young, which is good. And we got a Luca Emergent and a Trae base. It's not bad. Give a thumbs up, guys. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a great evening.